class over the structure and functions of brain. Okay, so present I am discussing about the structure of spinal cord. The structure of spinal cord. The brain and spinal cord is both are collectively called central nervous system. The both are collectively called central nervous system. Okay, come to the spinal cord. Okay, right. Medulla oblongata continued as spinal cord. Okay, so this spinal cord comes out through foramen magnum and extends up to beyond the stomach and extends up to beyond the stomach. Okay, so that is the spinal cord. Okay, first one. So this spinal cord is extends from the back of hindbrain, nothing but medulla oblongata to the back of stomach, to the back of stomach. So, so this traveled along with the length of neural canal of vertebral column, the neural canal of vertebral column. Okay, so this one extended from the back of medulla oblongata to the back of stomach. Okay, this one traveled along with the length of neural canal of vertebral column. Okay, right. So it is cylindrical in shape. It is cylindrical in shape. Cylindrical means సన్నగా పొడవుగా. ఓకే, సో సన్నగా పొడవుగా ఉంటే దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే ఇక్కడ cylindrical అని పిలుస్తారనమాట. ఓకే, సో రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ in the TS of spinal cord, peripherally white matter is present. The TS of spinal cord, peripherally white matter, peripherally white matter. This one is white matter. Okay, so next inner present the gray matter. So this one is gray matter. So inner present the gray matter. Okay, so this one is peripherally arranged white matter. Okay, so white. So this is white matter. So this is white matter. So this is white matter. Okay, so this white matter is made up of myelinated axons or neurons. This white matter is made up of myelinated axons or neurons. Next, this one is next at the center of spinal cord. At the center of spinal cord, gray matter is present. This one is gray matter. This one is gray matter. So this gray matter made up of non-myelinated neurons. Non-myelinated neurons, dendrites, and cytons. And cytons. Okay. The shape of gray matter, H or butterfly shape. H or butterfly shape. Okay. The shape of gray matter, H or butterfly shape. Okay. Right. So there is the about the structure of spinal cord. Okay. Next one. Next one on observation. The role of a spinal cord was studied by studied in 16th and 17th century. Okay, the role of spinal cord is studied in 16th and 17th century. 17th century. What is the main role of spinal cord? So this spinal cord is involved in the reflex arch, reflex arc, and controls the neural coordination and controls the neural coordination. Okay, so ఇప్పుడు చూస్తాం. The animal exhibit respond to stimuli. Okay, so animals exhibit respond to stimulus even when brain is removed from that animal. Okay, so animals exhibit respond to stimuli even brain also removed from their body. Okay, so right. Next one, Leonardo da Vinci and Stephen Hales, scientist. Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci and Stephen Hales. Okay, Stephen Hales. So these scientists are researched on frog. Okay, so researched on frog. Frog may research in this. Okay, so brain is removed from the body of frog. Okay, brain is removed from the body of frog. Okay, so both scientists recorded the survival of frog. Both scientists recorded the survival of frog. Okay? So whose brain had been destroyed. Whose brain had been destroyed. దాని యొక్క బ్రెయిన్ డిస్ట్రాయ్ చేస్తున్నాడు లేదా రిమూవ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. రిమూవ్ చేసి దాంట్లో యాక్టివిటీస్ ఏ విధంగా ఉన్నాయో వాళ్ళు రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎవరు? లియోనార్డో డావిన్సీ అండ్ స్టీఫెన్ హెల్స్. ఓకే, రికార్డెడ్ ద యాక్టివిటీస్ ఆఫ్ రిమూవల్ ఆఫ్ బ్రెయిన్ ఇన్ ఫ్రాగ్. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు చేస్తున్నాడు ఏంటంటే ది అనిమల్స్ ప్రొడ్యూసెస్ మస్కులర్ యాక్టివిటీ వెన్ వెన్ స్కిన్ వాస్ పించ్డ్ with the help of sharpened object. Okay, so when skin was pinched with the help of sharpened objective, muscular activity is occur in the body of that frog. Okay, so that is the activity. Okay, so in frog. Okay, so this activity is done by Leonardo da Vinci and Stephen Hales. Okay, right. Next one, come to the detailed structure of spinal cord. మీ బుక్ లో ఉండేది ఇంతవరకు. అకార్డింగ్ టు యువర్ బయాలజీ 10th class బయాలజీ సిలబస్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ మ్యాటర్ ఇస్ ప్రజెంట్. సో ఐ విల్ గివ్ more information about spinal cord. Okay, so come to the extra information about spinal cord. Okay, right. First, this is a spinal cord. Okay, so this is a spinal cord. Case of spinal cord. This is white matter. This is white matter. So this is white matter. Inside the gray matter, so peripherally, white matter is present. Okay, at the center of spinal cord, gray matter is present. So this gray matter which resembles H or butterfly shape. H or butterfly shape. Okay, right. At the center of gray matter, central canal is present. This one is central canal. Okay, at the center of gray matter, the central canal is present. Okay, so this one is central canal. Okay, so the central canal. Central canal internally lined by ciliated columnar epithelium. Central canal is internally lined by ciliated columnar epithelium. This one is central canal. So this central canal is internally lined by ciliated columnar epithelium. Okay, right. So this central canal is filled with cerebrospinal fluid. Okay, this central canal is filled with cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid. Okay, right. Around the central canal, ependymal cells are present. So these are ependymal cells. These are ependymal cells. Okay, so these are ependymal. These ependymal cells are also filled with cerebrospinal fluid. Okay, right. Okay, so that is the structure of spinal fluid. Okay, right. Next one. So this is gray matter. Okay, gray matter which resembles the H or butterfly shape. Okay, so gray matter contains two dorsal roots. So this one, dorsal horn. From dorsal horn, dorsal root is arises. Okay, so next, so this one is ventral. Two dorsal root, two ventral. Okay, so it is over the spinal cord. Okay, right. Next one, Charles Bell and Francois Magnandi. Charles Bell and Francois Magnandi. Charles Bell and Francois Magnandi. Francois Magnandi. According to these scientists, okay, so dorsal and ventral root are contain different functions. different functions. Okay, right. Different functions. The dorsal root of experiment animal. The dorsal root of experimented animal. Cut. Okay, so cut to animal. The animal made no obvious reaction. Okay, the animal no obvious reaction. Obvious means clear. Okay, no obvious reaction. Okay, the dorsal root ను cut చేస్తాం. When cutting the dorsal root in experimented animal, okay, so the animal made no obvious reaction. Obvious means clear. Obvious means clear. Clear reaction అంటూ animal body లో కనిపించదు. Okay, so not visible the obvious reaction due to the cutting of dorsal root in experimented animal. In experimented animal. Okay, so okay. Next one. The ventral root were even lightly touched. Light touches. Okay? Ventral root were lightly touched with the help of sharpened object. With the help of sharpened object. Okay. So movement is occur in the body of frog. Movement is occur in the body of frog. Okay. So that is the difference between dorsal root and ventral. So due to the cutting of dorsal root, no obvious reaction is visible. No obvious reaction is visible in the body of frog. Okay. So when lightly touching to the ventral root, okay, muscular activity, nothing but movement is occur in the body of frog. Okay. So muscular activity is controlled by ventral root. Okay, muscular activity is controlled by ventral root. Okay, so that is the conclusion of this experimentation. This is experiment. Okay, right. Next one, PNS. Okay, PNS చూస్తాం, peripheral nervous system. So PNS means peripheral nervous system గురించి చూస్తాం. What is the peripheral nervous system? What is peripheral nervous system? The nerves which are arises from the parts of CNS, nothing but brain and spinal cord. Okay, all nerves are unit with one another to form peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system. Okay, so the nerves which are arises from the parts of CNS is nothing but brain and spinal cord. Okay, all nerves are unit with one another to form PNS. PNS means peripheral nervous system. PNS means peripheral nervous. Okay, so peripheral nervous system exhibit involuntary controls the involuntary. Okay, and voluntary function controls the involuntary activities as well as voluntary activities. Voluntary activities. Okay, so next involuntary చూస్తాం. Several functions of reasons like internal organs. Internal organs. Okay, so inside the body, the organs which are present inside the body is called internal organs. Okay, so internal organs, blood vessels, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Okay, so these internal organs are controlled by PNS. Okay, so next one. So it is PNS also exhibit voluntary control. Okay, so PNS also exhibit voluntary control. What is voluntary control? Okay, so controls the activity of skin and skeletal muscle. Controls the activity of skin and skeletal muscle. It's called voluntary. Skin and skeletal muscle. What is meant by skeletal muscle? The muscles which are present around the bones is called skeletal muscles. The muscles which are present around the bones is called skeletal muscles. Okay, so this PNS also controls the voluntary activities like skin and skeletal muscle. Okay, so this one is exhibit both involuntary activities and voluntary activities. Okay, so right. Next one, reduction and reduction and expandation of pupil. Reduction and expandation of pupil. Okay, so under controlled by autonomous nervous system. Under controlled by autonomous nervous system. Autonomous nervous system is one of the part in peripheral nervous system. Okay, so most important bit. Autonomous nervous system is one of the part in peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system. Okay, so uh, reduction and reduction the తగ్గిపోవడం reduction and expandation of pupil under controlled by autonomous nervous system. So autonomous nervous system is one of the in peripheral nervous system. Okay, so ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూస్తాం. చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఓకే, సో మనము ఎండలో నుంచి when we are going into dark room. Okay, so when we are going to dark room. Okay, so we cannot see anything. ఏమి కనిపించవు మనకు. We cannot see anything. Okay, so slowly we are see. Slowly we are see. Okay, so surrounding things. Slowly we are see surrounding things. చుట్టూ ఉన్నటువంటి వస్తువులు మనం నిదానంగా చూడగలుగుతాం. ఎందుకు చూడగలుగుతాం? డ్యూ టు ద డైలేషన్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్. ఓకే, సో డ్యూ టు ద డైలేషన్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్. పీపుల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? కంటిలో ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో ఐరిష్ మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది పీపుల్. ఓకే, అట్ ద సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ఐరిష్ ఏ పీపుల్ ఈస్ ప్రెసెంట్. ఓకే, డ్యూ టు ద డైలేషన్ ఆఫ్ pupil. Okay, more light is penetrate into eye. Okay, and then immediately see the okay, so things surrounding. So see the any things surrounding. Okay, right, ఆ విధంగా మనం చూడగలుగుతాం. సో నెక్స్ట్ తర్వాత డార్క్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ లైట్ లోకి వచ్చాం. ఓకే, సో ఆ డార్క్ రూమ్ నుంచి ఓకే, సో వెన్ ఏ పర్సన్ comes out from dark room into broad light places. Dark room into broad light places. ఓకే, అప్పుడు కూడా అంతే, వస్తువులు సరిగా కనిపించు. ఓకే, సో నాట్ సీ ద ఎనీథింగ్స్. నాట్ సీ ద ఎనీథింగ్స్. ఓకే, సో నాట్ సీ ద ఎనీథింగ్. ఎందుకంటే సో డ్యూ టు ద reduces the size of pupil. Due to the reduces the size of pupil. Okay, and then low level of light is penetrate into eye. Okay, low level of light is penetrate into eye, due to which okay, so some of the things are not clearly seen. Okay, so not clearly seen. Okay, right, that is the experimentation of people. Okay, so next one, the contraction and relaxation of people. Okay, under controlled by autonomous nervous. Okay, so contraction means reduction. Okay, expandation. Contraction means reduction. Okay, so expandation means relaxation. ఏదైనా ఒకటి, ఎవరి వరకునే ఒకటి. Okay, so the contraction and relaxation or reduction and expandation of people under controlled by autonomous nervous. Under controlled by autonomous nervous system. Okay, so there is a important bit. Due to the dilation of people, more light is enters into eye, so immediately see the different type of things surrounding. Okay, so surrounding, right, that is most important bit. Okay, for example, మనమే ఎండలో నడుచుకుంటూ సినిమాలోకి వెళ్తాం. ఓకే, సో ఆ సినిమా హాల్లో చైర్స్ సరిగా కనిపించవు. ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఒక 1 or 2 minutes తర్వాత చైర్స్ కనిపిస్తాయి. ఎందుకు? డ్యూ టు ద డైలేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఓకే, సో పీపుల్ మోర్ లైట్ ఈస్ ఎంటర్స్ ఇంటూ ఐ అండ్ దెన్ సీ ద డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్స్ లైక్ చైర్. ఓకే, ఇన్ సినిమా హాల్. ఓకే, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏఎన్ గురించి. వాట్ ఈస్ ఏఎన్? ఓకే, సో ఆటోనమస్. Okay, so what is meant by autonomous nervous system? Okay, so the system which is controls the activity of all internal organs is called autonomous nervous system. Is called autonomous nervous system. Okay, right. autonomous nervous system, simply called AN. It is one of the part in PNS, peripheral nervous system. Okay, so right. Medulla oblongata regulates the heartbeat and breathing rate. Okay, medulla oblongata. So what is medulla oblongata? Okay, so last part in the brain is called medulla. It's called medulla oblongata. Last part in the brain is called medulla oblongata. What is the main function of medulla oblongata? All involuntary activities are controlled by medulla oblongata. So what is the example to the involuntary activity? Okay, so involuntary activity. Okay, sneezing, coughing, motion. Okay, vomiting, wheezing. Wheezing ante guraka. Okay, so wheezing ante gana guraka. Okay, so digestion, heartbeat, blood circulation. Okay, so respiration. These are blinking of eyes. Blinking of eyes. These are example to involuntary activities. Okay, so involuntary activities. Medulla oblongata regulates the heartbeat rate and breathing rate. Okay, so next to definition. Come to the definition. Autonomous nervous system. The nervous system, the system which is controls the activity of all internal organs is called autonomous nervous system. Internal organs is called autonomous nervous system. Okay, the system which is controls the activity of all internal organs, all internal organs. Okay, all internal organs is called autonomous. Internal organs is nothing but a visceral organ. Okay, so visceral internal organs is also called visceral organ. So autonomous nervous system is also called visceral nervous system. Visceral nervous, visceral nervous. Okay, important. Why autonomous nervous system is also called visceral nervous? Okay, this one controls the activity of all internal organs or visceral organs. So, autonomous nervous system is also called visceral nervous system. Okay, right. Next one. Normally, involuntary activities are controlled by both autonomous nervous system and medulla oblongata. Okay, so అది మీకు ఆ విధంగా ఆన్సర్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. Involuntary activities are controlled by so autonomous nervous system and medulla oblongata. So what is meant by involuntary activity? The activity which is not controlled by human. మన ఆధీనంలో ఉండదు. మన ఆధీనంలో ఉండదు. అంతే. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇన్వాలంటరీ యాక్టివిటీ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ బ్లింకింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఐస్ ఉంది. మన ఆధీనంలో ఉందే అది. దానంతకదే మొత్తం కనురెప్పలు కొట్టుకుంటూ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో బ్రీతింగ్ ఉంది, దానంతగా జరిగిపోతూ ఉంటాయి. మన ఆధీనంలో ఉందా? డైజెషన్ మన ఆధీనంలో ఉందా? కాఫింగ్ మన ఆధీనంలో ఉందా? స్నీజింగ్ మన ఆధీనంలో ఉందా? వీజింగ్ అంటే గురక మన ఆధీనంలో ఉందా? లేదు. ఓకే, ది యాక్టివిటీ విచ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కంట్రోల్డ్ బై హ్యూమన్, మానవుని ఆధీనంలో ఉండదు. దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే ఇన్వాలంటరీ యాక్టివిటీ. Involuntary activity. Okay, so example to involuntary activity already told. Okay, so next one, ANS, autonomous nervous system, mainly divided into two types. Okay, sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Autonomous nervous system mainly divided into two types. Autonomous nervous system or visceral nervous system. Okay, mainly divided into two types. First one, sympathetic nervous system. Okay, sympathetic nervous system, and the second one, parasympathetic nervous nervous. So ఇప్పుడు both are anti-reaction. Okay, so autonomous nervous system inhibits the, okay, so some of the activities, and then sympathetic nervous system inhibits the some of the activities, and then immediately parasympathetic nervous system stimulates the that activities. Okay, stimulates that activities. So these are both are the anti-reaction. Okay, so okay, so sympathetic nervous system dilates the pupil. Okay, dilates the, okay, dilates the బిట్స్ బాగా ఇస్తున్నాడు, కొంచెం జాగ్రత్త. సో డైలేట్స్ ద, డైలేట్స్ ద, నెక్స్ట్ దిస్ వన్ పారాసింపాథటిక్ నర్వస్ సిస్టమ్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ ద పీపుల్, అంటే పీపుల్ చిన్నది చేస్తారు, రెడ్యూస్ చేస్తా పీపుల్. ఓకే, సో డైలేట్స్ అంటే పెద్దది కావాలి, రెడ్యూస్ చేస్తా పీపుల్ ఆర్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ ద, కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ ద, బాగా ఇస్తాను మేడమా, కొంచెం జాగ్రత్త. ఇట్స్ బాగా ఇస్తున్నాడు, నోట్ చేసుకోండి. What is the difference between sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system? Okay, so this one controls the dilation of people. This one controls the constrict the people. Constrict the people. Nothing but reduce the size of people. Reduce the size of people. Okay. So next, sympathetic nervous system inhibits the saliva. Okay. Inhibits the inhibits the saliva. Okay. Or salivation. This one stimulates the saliva. Okay. Stimulates the saliva. Stimulates the salivation. What is salivation? The secretion of saliva from salivary glands is called salivation. Okay. The secretion of saliva from salivary glands is called salivation. Okay. Right. Next, third one. Okay. Inhibits the salivation. Relaxes the branchia. Relaxes the, okay, branchia. This one relaxes the branchia. Relaxes the branchia. Okay. This one constrict the branchia. Constrict, okay, or contraction. You know, okay. So constrict, constrict the branch. Okay. This one leads to relaxes the branch. This one leads to constrict the branch. Constrict the branch. Okay. So this one accelerates the heartbeat rate. Accelerates means increase. Okay. Okay. Inhibit the structure of sex organs, stimulate the structure of sex organs. That is over the differences between sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Okay, right. Okay. The differences between. Okay. Next one, ganglia. So ganglia గురించి ఇక్కడ. Okay. Ganglia near to the vertebral column. A ganglia near to the vertebral column and connected to spinal cord with the help of a neuron. With the help of neuron. Okay. So sympathetic nervous system is formed by, okay, so chain of ganglia. Sympathetic nervous system is formed by a chain of ganglia. This one is a chain of, okay. This one is chain of, okay. Sympathetic nervous system is formed by a chain of ganglia on either side of vertebral column. On either side of vertebral column. Next, parasympathetic nervous system. Okay, formed by nerves. Okay, formed by nerves which are arises from brain and posterior part of spinal cord, not anterior part of spinal, not anterior part of spinal cord. Okay. Parasympathetic nervous system formed by nerves which are arises from brain and posterior part of spinal cord. Okay, right. Okay. Posterior part of spinal. Right. Next one. Both sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system both are unit with one another to form autonomous nervous system. Okay, autonomous nervous system. Okay, so autonomous nervous system is a part. Okay, so is a part in peripheral nervous system. Is a part in peripheral nervous system. Okay, right. Next, in the peripheral nervous system, how many nerves are present? In the peripheral nervous system, how many nerves are present? Okay, so right. Come to peripheral nervous system and their nerves. Peripheral nervous system and their nerves. Peripheral nervous system and their nerves. PNS and their nerves. PNS and their nerves. What is PNS? The nerves which are arises from the parts of CNS. From the parts of central nervous. What is nervous system? Brain and spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord. Okay. So brain and spinal cord. Both are collectively called central nervous. Nerves which are arises from the parts of central nervous system is nothing but brain and spinal cord called PNS. ఇప్పుడు చూస్తాం. 12 pairs of nerves which are arises from brain. Okay. 12 pairs. Okay. 12 pairs of nerves. Okay. 12 pairs of nerves which are raised from brain. Okay. Next, 31 pairs of nerves which are arises from spinal cord. Okay. So which are arises from spinal cord. Okay. So 12 pairs of nerves arise from brain. Remaining 31 pairs of nerves arise from spinal cord. Totally 43 pairs. Okay. 43 pairs of nerves which are present in PNS. PN. Okay. 43 pairs of nerves which are present in PNS. Okay. Right. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సో బిట్స్ బాగా అడుగుతుంటాడు. In the PNS, how many pairs of neurons are present? 43 రాయాలి. Okay. So 12 pairs. Okay. So 12 pairs cranial nerve. 12 pairs cranial nerve. Cranial 12 pairs cranial nerves. These cranial nerves which are arises from brain. Okay. So next 31 pairs spinal nerves. Okay. Spinal which are arise from spinal. Okay. So 12 pairs of cranial nerves, 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Okay. So both totally 43 pairs of neurons present nerves present in PNS. Okay, right. Next, coordination without nerves and a topic చూస్తాం. Last topic in the coordination. Okay, coordination without nerves. Coordination without coordination without- Okay, the story of insulin. దీని కింద ఏమొస్తుంది? The story of insulin. The story of story of okay, right. ఇప్పుడు చూస్తాం. In 1868, Paul Langerhans scientist. Okay? In 1868, Paul Langerhans, scientist, identify the identify the okay, certain patches of cell, certain patches of certain patches of cell in pancreas, in pancreas. Okay? So, right. In 1868, most important bit, in 1868, Paul Langerhans scientist, okay, so is belongs to Germany. Is belongs to Germany. Okay, belongs to, okay. Identify the patches of cells. Okay, in pancreas. So these patches of cells in pancreas called islets of Langerhans. These are called islets of okay, so islet islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans. Okay, so these patches of cells within the pancreas is called islets of Langerhans. ఆయన పేరే సైంటిస్ట్ నేమే లాంగర్ పాల్ లాంగర్హాన్ కదా ఆయన పేరే పెట్టాడు. ఓకే, సో islets of islet. What is meant by islet? A group of cell. Islet means a group of cell. Okay, so islet of each islet of Langerhans is made up of two types of cells. Each islet of Langerhans is made up of two types of cells. Okay, first one, each islet of Langerhans, each islet of Langerhans is made up of two types of alpha cells and beta. Alpha cells secretes glucagon hormone. Beta cells secretes insulin hormone. Okay, so alpha cells secretes glucagon hormone. Next, beta cell secretes insulin hormone. Okay, insulin hormone. Okay, what is the main function of insulin hormone? Decreases the blood glucose levels. Decreases the blood glucose levels. Okay, so what is the main function of glucagon hormone? Increases the blood glucose level. Okay, so glucagon hormone increases the blood glucose level. Insulin hormone decreases the blood glucose level. Decreases the blood glucose level. Okay, so right. మరి కొందరిలో ఈ యొక్క బీటా సెల్స్ వీక్ అయిపోతాయి. ఓకే, సో డ్యూ టు ద వీకెనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఓకే beta cells, under secretion of insulin is occur. Under secretion. Under secretion means low level of insulin is secreted. Low level of insulin is secreted. Okay, so due to the damaging the beta, due to the damaging the beta cells, low level of insulin is secreted. Okay, so low level secreted. Insulin. Due to the under secretion of insulin, due to the under secretion of insulin, blood glucose levels are increase. Okay, so blood glucose levels are increased due to the under secretion of insulin hormone. Blood glucose levels are increased. Okay, so this disease is called diabetic. Okay, so diabetes. ఓకే మీ బుక్ లో ఓన్లీ డయాబెటిస్ అనే ఇచ్చాడు కంప్లీట్ నేమ్ ఓకే డయాబెటిస్ మిల్లిటస్ ఓకే డ్యూ టు ద మీ బిట్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ మీకు ఓకే సో 1 మార్క్ కానీ లేదా 2 మార్క్స్ కానీ డ్యూ టు ద అండర్ సెక్రీషన్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సులిన్ హార్మోన్ లీడ్స్ టు ఇంక్రీజెస్ ద బ్లడ్ గ్లూకోజ్ లెవెల్ ఓకే సో దిస్ డిసీజ్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ డయాబెటిక్ మిల్లిటస్ ఓకే మిల్లిటా ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్ అనా ఇది డయాబెటిక్ ఓకే మరి బ్లడ్ గ్లూకోజ్ లెవెల్స్ బాగా పెరిగిపోతాయి ఓకే బాగా పెరిగిపోతాయి సో దిస్ ఎక్సెస్ ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్ గ్లూకోజ్ మరి ఎట్లా పోతుంది ఎక్స్పెల్ అవుట్ సైడ్ త్రూ యూరినల్ ఎక్స్పెల్ అవుట్ సైడ్ త్రూ యూరినల్స్ ఓకే సో ఎక్సెస్ ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్ గ్లూకోజ్ లెవెల్స్ ఎక్స్పెల్ అవుట్ సైడ్ త్రూ యూరినల్స్ ఓకే రైట్ సో ఈజ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇన్ లాటిన్ ఇన్సులా మీన్స్ ఇన్సులిన్ కదా పేరు ఎట్లా పెట్టారు చూస్తాం ఇన్సులా మీన్స్ ఐలాండ్ ఓకే ఐలాండ్ ఇన్ లాటిన్ ఓకే ఇన్సులా ఇన్సులా మీన్స్ ఐలాండ్ ఇన్సులా మీన్స్ ఐలాండ్ ఓకే ఇన్ టొరంటో the famous university in Canada. Toronto is famous. So, two biotechnology scientists are present. So, what is the name of that scientist? Banting and Best. Banting and Best. So, Banting and Best scientist. Most important. Banting. Banting and Best. Banting and Best scientist. Okay. So, extracting the insulin from degenerated cattle pancreas. Extracting the insulin from degenerated cattle pancreas. Cattle pancreas. Okay. So both are awarded Nobel Prize in 1924. Okay. So both are awarded Nobel Prize in 1924. Okay. 1924. Okay. Right. Next one. Other chemical coordination. Last other chemical coordination. Other chemical coordination. Come to the other chemical coordination. Insulin is extracted from degenerated cattle pancreas. Most important bit, Banting and Best. So is awarded Nobel Prize in 1924. Other chemical coordination చూస్తాం. Other chemical coordination. Okay, so in so, 1905, Bayliss and Starling coined the term hormone. Important. Bayliss, Bayliss and Starling. మీ బుక్ లో ఒకటే ఇచ్చాడు స్టార్లింగ్ అని ఇద్దరు కూడా ఓకే సో బేలిస్ అండ్ స్టార్లింగ్ కాయిన్డ్ ద టర్మ్ హార్మోన్ ఓకే కాయిన్డ్ ద టర్మ్ ఫస్ట్ ఐసోలేటెడ్ హార్మోన్ సెక్రెటిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ సెక్రెటిన్ ఓకే ఫస్ట్ ఐసోలేటెడ్ హార్మోన్ సెక్రెటిన్ ఓకే రైట్ ఇన్ ద హ్యూమన్ బాడీ two types of glands are present okay so in the human body two types of glands are present okay ductless glands and duct glands okay ductless glands and duct glands. Okay. So ductless glands is nothing but endocrine. Is nothing but endocrine. The secretion of ductless glands or endocrine glands is called hormone. Called hormone. Hormones is acts as a chemical messengers. Okay, these hormones directly enters into blood circulation. Directly enters into blood circulation. Okay, so right from there synthesis site. From there synthesis site. Okay, right enters into blood circulation. Okay, right. Next, duct gland. Duct glands secretes enzymes. Okay, so duct glands secretes enzymes. So many enzymes are present. Okay, so many enzymes are present. Okay, so salivary amylase. Okay, so pepsin, renin, carboxypeptidase, aminopeptidase. Okay, maltase, sucrase, lactase. Okay, lipase. So many types of enzymes are present in the human body. Okay, so duct glands secretes enzymes. Okay, right. ఇప్పుడు మనము ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ adrenal gland. What is the location of adrenal gland? Adrenal gland is attaches to the anterior part of kidney. Anterior part of kidney. So this one is adrenal gland. So attaches to the anterior part of the shape of adrenal gland. So this is cap shape. Cap shape. Okay. This one is adrenal gland. So this one is adrenal gland. The shape of adrenal gland is cap shape. This one kidney. This one kidney. This one. Okay. So right. It is a low output. Okay, so this adrenal gland contain low output. Okay, so మనం చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూస్తాం. ఎప్పుడన్నా వీఆర్ ఫైట్ విత్ డాగ్, వీఆర్ ఫైట్ విత్ డాగ్, ఇమీడియట్లీ ఎస్కేప్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ సైట్. ఓకే, ఇమీడియట్లీ వీఆర్ ఎస్కేప్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ సైట్. ఆ సైట్ నుంచి మనం పారిపోతాం. ఓకే, సో భయపడి పారిపోతాం. ఓకే, సో ఈ భయపడినప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుంది? ఓకే, సో ఆ భయపడినప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతారంటే ఇంక్రీజెస్ ద బ్లడ్ ప్రెషర్. ఓకే, సో ఇంక్రీజెస్ ద హార్ట్ బీట్ రేట్, ఇంక్రీజెస్ ద బ్లడ్ ప్రెషర్, ఇంక్రీజెస్ ద హార్ట్ బీట్ రేట్ అండ్ హెయిర్ ఆన్ ద బాడీ బికమ్ ఎరెక్ట్, అంటే నిక్కబొడుచుకోదు. హెయిర్ ఆన్ ద బాడీ బికమ్ ఎరెక్ట్. ఓకే, సో పీపుల్ అండర్గోస్ డైలేషన్, పీపుల్ అండర్గోస్ డైలేషన్. ఓకే, సో ఓకే, దీస్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇన్ సమ్ కేసెస్. Okay, so emptying the urinary bladder and rectum. Okay, emptying the urinary bladder and rectum in some cases. Okay, so these things are occur. Okay, so when we are fighted with God. Okay, so and then afraid, భయపడతాం కదా, భయపడినప్పుడు ఎన్ని జరుగుతాయి. Okay, so next, adrenal gland is considered organ of fight and flight, organ of fight and flight. Okay, so adrenal gland, so this one is adrenal gland. Okay, adrenal gland. The shape of adrenal gland, cap. Okay,